Did you know that when a bee sneezes, you can catch the breeze? It's true, and it's definitely mind-blowing, something you don't want to miss. It's a completely natural occurrence, so listen close and please don't dismiss. Like, if your garden's full of flowers, take a peek and take a look. On the next sunny day, you could find a bee, who's already found a book. Then you'll hear this buzzing sound, which happens when they sneeze. What they release is nothing but warm air, and it's totally what you freeze. It's a totally simple gesture, but it's also quite amazing that a little bee can make a breeze, even on the hottest of days. Like, bee sneezes are so underrated, but they're totally worth exploring. So, be sure to check out the next video, it's sure to keep you snoring.